Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, identical Lifepo4 batteries and matching SoC. Once verified, lay them side by side on a non-conductive surface so cable lengths are equal. Then connect the negative terminals together briefly with an insulated jumper to stabilize voltages. Use a voltmeter to confirm each pack reads within 0.05 volt of the others. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Once done, position your main positive cable for the next step and keep the system open-circuited until all parallels are ready. You now wire in parallel using a star or common bus method so each battery sees the same path to the load. First, attach equal-length positive cables from each battery to the positive bus, then do the same for negatives to the negative bus. This minimizes current imbalance. Once cables are hand-tight, torque to the manufacturer's spec and route wires to avoid heat sources. Make sure to install or verify each BMS is active and communication lines are connected. After that, visually inspect. You finish by connecting the combined positive and negative to your load or inverter, but don't apply full load immediately. Start with a low load test for 5 to 10 minutes while you watch voltages, currents, and temperatures at each pack. If everything stays stable and BMS reports normal status, gradually ramp to normal load. If you see voltage drift, unequal currents, or one pack heating, stop and disconnect. Then isolate the problematic pack and rebalance with a charger, or replace it as necessary to protect the string.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.